Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a Pikachu inspired makeup look, something different. The look is going to be similar to this makeup look that I posted up on my Instagram last week. A lot of you guys requested to see a tutorial on it, so I'm going to do something a little bit similar to that. And also I just wanted to sit down and kind of chit chat and update you guys on what's been happening. I'm going to start off by applying a little bit of MAC strobe cream all over my face. I don't know what's been happening with my skin lately, but I've been getting all these like red spots. Maybe because I started using a different vitamin C serum and maybe it's a little bit too strong, so then these spots kind of came up overnight. Then I'm going to go in with the Peach Perfect foundation in golden beige. I'm just going to dot this all over. Now lately I feel like I haven't really updated you guys with what's been happening, especially like how I've been feeling after I uploaded that video. How long ago? Would it be like over 6 months now? Maybe. Where I had like a breakdown on the internet and I was just like sobbing and bawling my eyes out for everyone online to see. Ever since that video, I've been really focusing on doing what makes me happy. And it's taken a while, it's taken time, and I feel like I'm a lot better now. My anxiety has gotten better, and I guess I just know how to deal with it a lot more now, and just kind of tell myself that it's okay to just slow down and take a break when I need it. And also because I've just kind of been filming when I feel like filming, so I don't feel like I'm forcing myself to put on a fake smile, to create something that I have to put online for you guys to watch and kind of present myself as like the happy, perfect person on the internet. Now I'm just going to conceal with the Too Faced, what is this called again? Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Also, I've been spending a lot of time just working on my small businesses, so my lash brand, Petite Cosmetics, and also Mark and Scribe, which we sell more like makeup bags, jewelry cases. So I've just been spending a lot more time working on those businesses, and I felt like that kind of gave me a good break and changed things up as opposed to just doing YouTube and editing videos all day and just trying to think of new content. What has sort of stressed me out a little bit lately was just I feel like my videos haven't been doing as well, and it does make me feel really bummed, because with YouTube you can easily tell how successful someone is doing because all the numbers are there for you to see. And even on Social Blade, you can jump on Social Blade and look up like analytics of different channels and how many subscribers are growing, how many views they're getting. So I feel like because YouTube is such like a public sort of platform where you can kind of just find all the information you want about a channel, I do feel really bummed when my videos don't do as well. And I don't know, is it because my content is just not as interesting anymore? Are people bored of me? And I have that fear where I'm like, am I becoming irrelevant? Do you guys ever get that? Like, even if it's on Instagram, if you haven't posted in like a week, you're like, oh my god, should I post? I need to do something. I need to do this before people forget about me. I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay, my brows are done, and I've also primed my eyelids with the Urban Decay Potion Primer in Eden. Now I'm gonna move on to eyes. I'm gonna use this color here, this warm brown shade from the Fenty palette, the Moroccan Spice palette. And I'm gonna blend this color onto my crease. And I'm going to do a cut crease today, so I'm going to bring it quite high up. The other day I was asking myself, like one day when I woke up, I was like, am I really passionate about makeup and beauty still? And in my mind, I still love makeup, I still love beauty, but am I passionate about it? I'm not too sure. Makeup and beauty I'm interested in, but I don't think I can confidently say that I'm passionate about it anymore. And that's a really scary thought, because now I'm asking myself, well, what is it? What am I passionate about? Are any of you guys going through that? Like, you're trying to find your passion or just something that really interests you and that you can kind of picture yourself doing for a while. And even saying that out loud, it's such a scary thought, because for the last, I don't know, like 6-7 years, all I've been doing is in the beauty industry, you know, whether it be like doing hair and makeup for clients or creating YouTube videos and reviewing beauty products or makeup tutorials. The last few years, all I've been dedicating my time to is beauty. And now that I kind of come to the realization that, hey, like maybe I need to move on to a new chapter in my life and find that next thing that I'll be passionate about. It's such a scary thought, and I remember feeling this way before I found beauty and makeup. I remember feeling lost, and so I know that I found it once and I can find it again. It's just a matter of trying different things. Like literally, do Tina tries it outside real life. Now that doesn't mean that I'll stop making beauty videos. I just think that I will change things up a little bit on my channel, and maybe venture outside beauty. And even that is a really scary thought to me, because a lot of you guys have subscribed to my channel because of my beauty content, and then in my mind I'm like, what if I completely change it? Like, are you guys gonna unsubscribe? Is no one gonna watch me? Like, I have all of these fears and doubts, but I know they're just fears and doubts, and I should really do what makes me happy. Yep, I just gotta do it, you know. Like, you always have that constant battle within yourself where you're like, maybe you're not good enough, or maybe you shouldn't do that, and don't take that risk. But I know I need to do this in order to grow, in order to kind of just take the next step and move forward. I feel really relieved talking about it and sharing it with you guys, but whew, I don't know, I'm getting so emotional. I just feel like I need to kind of explore a bit more and kind of go back to learning something new and just being a student again. You know, I really miss that. Anyways, back to my eye makeup. I'm gonna blend this out, and I feel like I want it a little bit warmer, so I might like blend some orange into that after. This video sort of turned out more as a therapy session rather than a proper tutorial, so I apologize for that, but I really appreciate you guys just sticking around and having this chat with me and just listening. Anyways, I'm just blending the same color up quite high. Like, it's pretty much like touching my eyebrow at the start here, but I'm not bringing it too high at the end because I want a little bit of a gap there. I learnt this from Dylan, who did my makeup in a recent video. When my fan does my makeup, he is the king of cut creases. If you guys haven't checked out that video already, please check it out. I'm going to blend this orangey shade slightly above the color I just applied here. This is from the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette. Just gonna work it in slowly and really blend it through. Now this is looking a little bit high and kind of crazy, but I'm gonna go in and cut my crease now, and I'm gonna use the primer I used before, the Urban Decay one, and I'm just grabbing like a flat sort of like concealer brush with more of a rounded tip, and I'm gonna use this to cut my crease. So I'm gonna go a little bit higher than my natural crease, just mark it where I want first, and then just round it off. You want to make sure you use a flat brush for this so that it's easier, and if it's rounded, that's going to make your life so much easier to create that nice curve. So I'm bringing my cut crease about 2/3 of the way, and then I'm just going to use my finger to kind of pat it and blend it out a little bit. Now I'm going to use the same brush to apply the Shu Uemura yellow gold eye foil. Now I'm laying this gold color down first because I'm going to apply like a matte yellow eyeshadow on top, so I want to really intensify that yellow. I feel like for this bit I can't really talk and chat whilst I do this. Then I'm going to go in with this matte yellow shade from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just going to pat that on top. Ooh, I really like how this is looking. Alrighty, now I'm going to darken up the outer corners using these two colors here. Just kind of mix it together. I feel like for this bit I can start chatting to you guys again because it doesn't require as much concentration as the cut crease. But yeah, tell me guys, like, what are you guys passionate about, and how did you stumble upon it? Did you always like know deep down that you wanted to do one specific thing, or maybe you have multiple things that you're passionate about? I'd love to find out more about you guys, so please feel free to start a conversation below. For me, I know whatever it is that I do in the future, it will have something to do with being creative, so it has to be some sort of creative outlet for me, and also I need to be able to connect with people. So now I just need to figure out what it is. Ooh, it's looking really good. I'm really happy with this eye makeup so far. I normally don't do anything as bold, but you know what? I'm all about stepping outside my comfort zone and trying new things. So taking Tina Tries It into everyday life. Actually, that was one of the ideas that I had. I really want to expand Tina Tries It and just kind of apply it to everyday life, and I guess bring you guys on that journey with me where I go and search for that next big thing. I just need to do it, okay? I just need to do it, no more excuses. Do you guys ever experience that? Like, you have so many things that you want to do, but then when it comes time to doing it, you make up all these excuses, and it's like, oh, actually I can't really start right now because of this, or I don't have the right gear, or maybe I'll just wait. Like, I feel like a lot of us tend to do that, and really that's just setting ourselves back. So just gotta do it. This has definitely become more of a therapy session than a makeup tutorial. For my lower lash line, I'm going to blend these two colors together, apply it onto my lower lash line and blend it down quite low. Okay, next I'm going to line my eyes and then apply lashes on. Next, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Inkwell liner in white to sort of like outline my crease just there. This is going to be a little bit tricky. I hope I don't stuff up. Please. I think I stuffed up that side. This side isn't as nice as this side. This side is my favorite side. It's like nice and rounded. This side is a little bit angular. I tried to fix it up, but guys, it's done. It's out of my hands. I'm just gonna live with it. Let's just move on. I'm going to pop on my lashes. This is Glamorous from my brand Petite Cosmetics. So that's my eyes done. I just applied mascara. So now I'm going to move on to my cheeks and lips, and then I'm done. For cheeks, I'm using this one, the 3CE Multi-Pot in Scarlet Red. I'm just gonna use my fingers to apply this. I'm using red because this is a Pikachu inspired makeup look, and Pikachu has red cheeks. So I'm just gonna pop this on the apples of my cheeks first. Oh God, this is looking a little bit crazy, but I'm going to blend it out more. Oh my God, what am I doing to myself? I'm just gonna use my beauty blender and just diffuse this crazy blush a little bit. Yeah, that's looking better. And I'm just gonna set that cream blush with a red blush from NARS. And I'm also gonna pop a little bit of this red on my nose. Just kind of like use it to contour my nose. And I'm gonna pop this L'Oreal lipstick in 292 just on the center of my lips. And just blend it out. And of course, I need to highlight, so I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in Hustler Baby. And to finish it off, I'm going to add in some little lightning strikes by using this Rimmel stamp. I'm just gonna pop it under my eyes. Alrighty, so I think I'm done with this Pikachu inspired makeup look. Now, it's not a supernatural wearable everyday look, I know, but it's something creative, and I had a lot of fun just creating this look. Plus, I feel really relieved that I'm able to share and talk to you guys about what's going on internally with me. I hope that you guys will join me in this journey where I go out there into the real world and try to find my next passion. Anyways, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!